Hey guys, today I sold all those players, and now I've made a profit from 120,000 coins and 1,000 FIFA points. I got 218,000 coins, and today we're gonna do an pack opening. We're gonna do just 7.5k packs, and and hopefully we can get more elite. We should get more elites from this. So let's get right into it. See, I would open the 50k packs, but then that would be too fast. It would take, the money would just go down too fast. And I want to kind of take the time to open up more packs. 75 rated as the first pack. Good. Let's hope we get something good in these pack openings. Or in this pack opening. If not, that'd be pretty bad. I'd have lost a lot of money. Oh, there we go. Gold inform. That's pretty good. And we're at 180,000. Getting a lot of those tokens. Please come on, elite. We need another elite. We don't need, but we want one. Oh, there we go. We got another elite. Oh, crap. Did not mean to automatically do that. But we got another elite. Why is it every pack opening I do, I get an elite? And I'm not complaining. That's really good. Oh, we're getting a 74 screen card. That's pretty good. We finally packed our first elite for this pack opening. Oh, there goes 2 gold. That's pretty good. If I get another elite, that'd be amazing. We're almost at 100k. We're at 120k. $72 rid of this. That's decent. Now we're gonna try to do a reveal all. $78 rated, that's really good. I'm gonna go 77 rated again. There we go, 64 rated transfer player. I can use him in the plan. I'm getting a lot of those tokens, like a ton of them. Alright, we're about 60k. Less than 60k now. Another token, I guess that's alright. $75 rated. It's pretty good. We're at about 45k. We're getting close to the end of this pack opening already. I want another elite. Can we get 2 elites in one pack opening like we did in the last pack opening? That'd be pretty good if we could. If we can get one higher than 83 rated, I'd be incredibly happy. We got 2 more packs. We can open up 2 more packs. Our last pack. This is our final pack. Come on, elite. Nah, this is 70 rated. So that's all we really got there. It's pretty good. I mean, I could probably get that 200k back with these items. But that's pretty good. I mean, I got an inform and an elite card, which is pretty good, and I'm about to level up too. So I guess this is all. See you next time.